So what is triangulation? I'll just show you right here. So when we have a cut shot like that, and let's get this out here a little more cut. What I do is I come in and I look at this leg going in. That's a straight line. And I'm looking at the ghost ball position, which is right in line with the red to the pocket. And what I then do, and you can leave your cue right there if you want and just walk around it, and then you can see the ghost ball position. So this is another leg of the triangle. Now for me, and this is unusual, I have to see this as well, and that's the distance. And for some reason in my mind, I see this little triangle. It's kind of a thin triangle. And what I want to do is I want to drop in where I see that ghost ball position based on this straight line into the pocket, come around slowly. I got the ghost ball. I step into the line. Now I feel my body is perfectly on the shot. I'll use a little draw here. And it easily goes in. So that is triangulation. Once again, let's have this little angle here. I look at it here, I walk around it, I look at the ghost ball. That's one leg of the triangle. I now slowly come around, I see the ghost ball position is right there, and I'm going to take a nice smooth stroke. Just hit center cue ball now. And that's it. So that's how you triangulate.